5 actually, and we're just chilling here because my god, the heat is on steroids, like literally. So it's time for a little room tour, and I am in the bathroom that serves as the washroom and the toilet. And this is the mirror, and it has so many marks. It's clean, but I don't know these marks. Anyway, the humidity is messing up with my hair, but I'm going to have it fixed, aka retouched when I go back. Anyway, this is the bathroom, the toilet. There's some tissue over there, soap, the bathroom curtain, our bathing towels, and that is it for the bathroom. So these are the wardrobes, and there are like 3 of them. There's that, and there's that, and that's my bag. These are my stuff, my friend's stuff, more stuff. That's the bed, bedside tables and a bedside lamp, more bedside table. So yeah, that's the room. And that is the outside. That's what the outside looks like. So this is the door from which we entered, and this is the window. So I'm starting from here. I'm standing by the door. So this is the sitting room, and there's a washroom over here. It's a 3 master ensuite, 3-bedroom master ensuite. So yeah, that is one of the washrooms. This is the sitting area. Let me switch on the lights, it's a bit dark. So this is the sitting area. I love the seats, such beautiful curtains. There's that very big TV, and this is the dining area. And then there's the kitchen. Here is the kitchen, and it's fully equipped, as you can see, but the dispenser does not have water at the moment. There's not much in the fridge, but yeah, yeah, that is the kitchen. I'm not going to open the cabinets, but you get the gist. And then there's the outside balcony, and then this is the washing area. Yeah, there's a washing machine, and yeah, I don't know whether they're hanging lights anywhere, but I don't think we will be needing them anyway. And that's the backyard. Hey, wait. Yeah. That's it. So we're back to the sitting room. And there's this thing that looks like a flower, but it's not. How do you love it? It's just water and this plastic thingy. So when you look inside, you would think it's a flower, but it's just things that look like strings or something. Yeah, so when you look at it from far, you'd think it's a live flower. And that's the first bedroom. The second bedroom, there's a, what do you call it, an ironing board, and the wall hangings are beautiful. Look at that one too, so beautiful. Oh, and the flowers, you'd think they're live, but they're just plastic, but they are beautiful. Yeah, the third wall hanging. Yep, that's what's up. And this is our bedroom, and my friend is sleeping. And this is the other balcony. I'm trying not to pick people's cars. Yeah, that's the balcony view, and I hope you can see the bluish parts over there. That's the ocean, and this is what do you call mskiti in English? Yeah, it's mskiti. And yeah, that's our view. And there's a resident swimming pool. And that marks the end of our room tour. I hope you have enjoyed this video. We are such lazy people. We can't. Deep end ndo huyu. Where this swimming pool? Haina rails.